Hello guys, if I tell you in the year 2021, Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey has sold his first ever tweet for 2.9 million US dollars. In Indian rupees, that is approximately 23 crores 10 lakhs. So what will be your reaction after listening this stupid stuff? I guess you think that why does the people pay lakhs and crores of money to these things? Well, this is because of the NFTs, that is non-fungible tokens. Maybe you have never heard that word before, but it suddenly seems to be everywhere in the present world. Currently, NFTs are a hot topic in the crypto world. So what is this NFTs and how does it work, and also why they are popular in the present world? Let's see. To know about the NFTs, let's understand what is fungibility. Simply, fungibility means that something can be replaced or exchanged. For example, if I have 1000 rupee note and you also have an 1000 rupee note, if we exchange it, will there be any change in the value of 1000 rupee note? No, because they are equal, right? Let's see another example. I have 1 kg of gold. It will be equal to another 1 kg of gold, because they are same. So the things which are found everywhere and not unique can be replaceable or exchanged. This is called as fungibility. Now we will get into NFTs, that is non-fungible tokens. In simple words, it is the opposite of the fungibility. That is, something cannot be duplicated or replaced. For example, painting of the Mona Lisa. It is a unique original artwork that cannot be duplicated. For example, if it is duplicated, then there will be no value for it, right? And another example is photo captured at a specific event, because each angle is unique and the locations are also different. I guess now that you have an idea what is non-fungibility, so you might know what is NFT also. That is, NFTs are something that unique and irreplaceable. By using NFTs, you can buy and sell ownership rights to unique digital items. A NFT is a basically blockchain token that represents a unique digital item. It has a unique ID that cannot be duplicated. It allows only one owner at a time. You can also sell anything as NFT, such as videos, images, arts, stickers, animation, and many more. NFTs can be used to sell almost anything. In fact, tweets on Twitter can also be sold digitally as NFTs, just as the Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey sold his first ever tweet to crypto entrepreneur named Sina Estavi in the year 2021. He paid 2.9 million US dollars for an NFT of Twitter boss Jack Dorsey's first tweet. Then these NFTs are stupid stuff? Well, the answer depends on the buyer. If a person is selling a cat animation for 60,000 US dollars, then no, it's not. But it can be for the person who bought it. There are some people who believe that NFTs are a stupid bubble that has no future. However, there are some people who believe it is the future of the digital art. In the past few years, NFTs have changed the way people buy and sell the digital stuff. But it is clear that digital art is something gaining attraction in the NFT markets. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned some info from the video. If you really enjoy the content, hit the like button and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye guys.